In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to file your own taxes on TurboTax. First, open your browser and go to TurboTax website or open the TurboTax app on your device. Create a new account or sign into your existing one. Once you are logged in, select the tax year you are filing for. In this case, 2025 taxes filed in 2026, and choose the version of TurboTax that fits your need, whether it's free edition, deluxe, premier, or self-employed. From there, TurboTax will guide you through entering your personal information like your name, address, social security number, and filing status. Next, you'll enter your income details by adding your W-2 form, your employer. Simply upload a photo of your W-2 or type in the numbers manually. TurboTax will automatically populate the relevant fields and calculate your income. If you have additional income like 1099 NEC, interest income, or investment income, TurboTax makes it easy to add those forms as well. After your income is entered, you will go through deductions and credits. TurboTax will ask simple questions to find credits like education expenses, earned income credit, retirement contributions, or home mortgage. TurboTax will also check for deductions you qualify for, maximizing your refund or minimizing what you owe. Once all of your information is entered, TurboTax will run a final review to catch any errors or missing info, then show you your estimated refund or amount owed. You can choose to receive your refund via direct deposit or apply it to next year's taxes. Finally, review your return carefully, then click File. If you are e-filing, TurboTax will submit it electronically to IRS and your state tax agency, and you will get a confirmation email when it's accepted. And that's it, you have successfully filed your own taxes with TurboTax. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.